Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix FIFA 23 failure during update process problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to turn off the antivirus program and real-time protection. Since I don't use an antivirus program, I'll just show you how to turn off real-time protection. To do this, we come to the search section and enter settings. Click on privacy and security. Then click on Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. After doing this, we click on manage settings. And finally, we toggle off real-time protection. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to delete our anti-cheat programs. First, we start with the EA Anti-Cheat program. Click on File Explorer to delete the EA Anti-Cheat program. Then click on Disk C and click on Program Files. We open the EA file. Click on the AC file. Then we click on EA Anti-Cheat Installer.exe. We choose FIFA 23. Then click Uninstall All. After the uninstall process is finished, we need to install it again, because if we can't install EA Anti-Cheat, we can't open the game. Now we will delete our other anti-cheat programs. We will use Geek Uninstaller to delete it completely. I will put the download link in the description section. You can download it directly from its site for free. Here I will delete Faceit Anti-Cheat and Riot Vanguard. If you have other anti-cheat programs, delete them as well. Right-click Faceit Anti-Cheat and then click Uninstall. We click Yes. Click Finish to delete the leftover files. We have uninstalled Faceit Anti-Cheat. Now it's Riot Vanguard's turn. We scroll down and find Riot Vanguard, then right-click and then click Uninstall. We click Yes. We also uninstalled Riot Vanguard. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to run the EA as administrator. If you are opening FIFA 23 from Origins, run Origins as administrator. After running it as administrator, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our fourth solution. Our fourth solution is to disable the services. To do this, we come to the search section and open Run. Then we type msconfig and press Enter. Click on Services. We tick Hide all Microsoft services. Then we click on Disable all. We click Apply and then click OK. After doing this, you need to restart your computer. I won't be able to restart because I'm recording video, but you have to restart. After restarting, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our fifth solution. Our fifth solution is to change the compatibility settings of FIFA 23. Before doing this, we delete EA Anti-Cheat as I showed in the first solution. After doing this, we will download the setup file of EA Anti-Cheat again. I will put the download link in the description section. You can download it directly from there. After downloading the setup file, we install EA Anti-Cheat as we did before. Now we will change the compatibility settings of FIFA 23. For this, we right-click on FIFA 23. Then we click Properties. Click on Compatibility. After doing this, we tick Run this program as an administrator. Then we click Apply and then click OK. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our sixth solution. Our sixth solution is to add FIFA 23 as an exclusion. To do this, we come to the search section and enter Settings. Then click on Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security. We enter Virus and Threat Protection. Then we click on Manage Settings. After doing this, we click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add an Exclusion. We choose File. Now we need to find the FIFA.exe file. Probably, the file we are looking for is not different place on your computer. If so, right-click the shortcut of FIFA 23 and click Open File Location. Then come back to Add an Exclusion section and find and select FIFA.exe. After adding FIFA 23 as an exclusion, check if the problem is solved or not. Thanks for watching the video. Feel free to ask what you want to ask me in the comments section.